How to make money with cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a new and revolutionary form of money that is growing in popularity all over the world. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual tokens that use cryptography to secure their transactions and to control the creation of new units. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not subject to government or financial institution control. This makes them very safe and secure for online transactions. You can make money with cryptocurrency by buying and selling them on exchanges or by mining them. In this post, we're going to teach you how to make money with cryptocurrency. We will cover everything from the basics of cryptocurrency to more advanced strategies for making money with cryptocurrency. So whether you are new to cryptocurrency or you are an experienced trader, this post is for you. 1. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography to secure its transactions and to control the creation of new units. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not subject to government or financial institution control. Cryptocurrencies are often exchanged for other cryptocurrencies, products, and services. Cryptocurrencies are often considered to be an investment, as they are highly volatile and can be risky. 2. What are the benefits of cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency, also known as digital or virtual currency, is a digital asset designed to work as a medium of exchange that uses cryptography to secure its transactions and to control the creation of new units. Cryptocurrency emerged from the internet in the early 1990s and has since grown to become a global phenomenon. Cryptocurrency offers a number of benefits that make it a popular choice for making money. Cryptocurrency is secure and difficult to counterfeit. There is no central authority that can block or reverse transactions, and no need to trust third parties. Cryptocurrencies are also anonymous, meaning that your identity is not tied to your cryptocurrency holdings. This makes them an attractive option for people who want to keep their financial information private. Cryptocurrencies are also efficient ways of transferring money. They are not subject to bank fees or exchange rates, and they are fast and easy to use. 3. How to make money with cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography to secure its transactions and to control the creation of new units. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not subject to government or financial institution control. Cryptocurrencies are often traded on decentralized exchanges and can also be used to purchase goods and services. While the value of cryptocurrencies has seen huge fluctuations in recent years, there is still a lot of potential for making money with cryptocurrency. 4. How to store cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency isn't just for the tech-savvy anymore. In fact, there are now many ways to make money with it, including investing, mining, and trading. When you're storing your cryptocurrency, make sure to keep it safe. Here are some tips. 1. Store your cryptocurrency in a secure wallet. 2. Use a hot wallet if you only need to store a small amount of cryptocurrency. 3. Use a cold wallet to store a larger amount of cryptocurrency. 4. Don't store your cryptocurrency on an online exchange. 5. Make sure to back up your cryptocurrency. 6. Always be aware of scams involving cryptocurrency. 7. Don't spend your cryptocurrency all at once. 8. Watch out for cryptocurrency scams. 9. Don't fall victim to a cryptocurrency scam. 5. How to use cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not subject to government or financial institution control. Cryptocurrencies are often billed as an alternative to government-controlled fiat currencies. However, cryptocurrencies are not backed by any assets and are not legal tender. 6. How to buy and sell cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is all the rage these days. So what is it and how can you make money with it? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography to secure its transactions and to control the creation of new units. Cryptocurrency is decentralized, meaning it is not subject to government or financial institution control. 7. How to start investing in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a new kind of currency that uses cryptography to secure its transactions and to control the creation of new units. Cryptocurrency is decentralized, meaning it is not subject to government or financial institution control. There are a number of ways to make money with cryptocurrency. You can buy and sell cryptocurrencies, mine them, or use them to purchase goods and services. You can also use cryptocurrency to invest in other cryptocurrencies or in businesses that use blockchain technology. 8. How to protect your cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is new and exciting, and many people are interested in making money with it. There are a few things you need to know in order to make money with cryptocurrency. The first thing you need to do is secure your cryptocurrency. This means you need to make sure that you keep your coins in a secure wallet and never share your private key. You also need to be aware of the risks. Cryptocurrency is not backed by anything, and there is no government or financial institution that can help you in case of a crisis. Therefore, you need to be prepared for any eventuality. Conclusion: cryptocurrency is quickly becoming one of the most popular ways to make money online. In this article, we've covered the basics of how cryptocurrency works, some of the different types of cryptocurrency, and some of the ways you can make money with cryptocurrency. As you can see, there are a lot of ways to make money with cryptocurrency, and there are also a lot of ways to lose money with cryptocurrency. However, if you're willing to invest some time and effort, cryptocurrency can be a very profitable way to make money online. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, comment, and subscribe to my channel Crypto News.